Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we empower you to become the best version of yourself. You know it's hard to control bitches around you. They just speak shit and ruin your day. Have your mood been destroyed by a shitty bitch too? If yes, you've clicked on the right video. We talk straight, watch this video to get hold of your bitch. Yo bro, we will teach you how to destroy her ego in seconds. You heard that right, you will be able to harness her and tell her who the boss is. So, let's dive right in. But make sure you keep it as our bro code. You know, ego is subjective. It's influenced by reactions, emotions, and situations. If you wish to control her ego and see her transitioning from a hardcore bitch to your cute little pony, you need to control her. Controlling her is the key to destroying her ego. It'll only work when she will act on whatever you say. We took aboard a macho man who's been influencing chicks and keeping them under his balls. Here's what he has said about dominating girls and controlling them to say yes to your every command. What's ego in girls? It's just their urge to have a man control them. They're pissed off from love and drama. It's that you're not enough for them. When their ego becomes too inflated, it creates friction in relationships, hinders sexual pleasure, and even cause trouble for you. So, let's explore some ways to address and manage ego issues in girls and tell them where they belong. So, wasting no more time, let's start the video. Starting with 7 pro tips to control your girl and destroy her ego in seconds. My aim is to make you an alpha man and make you understand the intricacies of managing egos within relationships. So, buckle up. Pro tip number 1, choose questioning over answering. It all begins with cultivating dominance, brothers. Instead of trying to please your partner, destroy her ego. Put yourself in the boss's chair and approach conversations with dominance. Remember, relationships are built on mutual respect and understanding. When you choose dominance, you create a safe space for open communication, which can lead to personal growth for both partners. Moving on to tip number 2, practice active listening. Nothing deflates someone's ego faster than feeling unheard. So, put down those distractions, maintain eye contact, and genuinely listen to your partner. Let them express themselves without interruption. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. Active listening shows your partner that their thoughts and opinions matter. It allows you to learn more about each other and find common ground, creating a stronger bond in the process. Now, for tip number 3, crushing criticism. We must not make mistakes in relationships, right? Instead of sympathizing, attack your partner's ego when they stumble. Focus on the behavior, not the person, and suggest no solutions. Make them feel sorry. By using this tip, you'll inspire your partner while dominating her. It'll create a healthy environment for both of you to thrive in. Tip number 4, celebrate achievements together. Everyone loves recognition, and it's essential to acknowledge and celebrate your partner's accomplishments. When you support each other's successes, you'll foster an environment of encouragement and positivity. Keep aside egos at this point. Remember, a strong relationship is built on teamwork. Celebrating achievements together boosts your bond, ensuring you both feel appreciated and valued. Alright, folks, we're halfway through. But don't worry, I've got 6 more pro tips up my sleeve to help you navigate those egos and control your girl. So, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you won't miss the upcoming videos. Tip number 5, our 5th tip is to control reactions. When someone has an attitude, it's often because they feel misunderstood or unheard. By controlling reactions, you show that you genuinely care about what she has to say. During conversation, put your phone away, maintain eye contact, and give her your full attention, and ask her do the same. This simple act can make a huge difference in diffusing the situation. But also make sure to control the conversation. You should be able to bring up topics by your choice. Do not let her think for a second she's the master of the table. That's how you would destroy her ego in seconds. Tip number 6, communication is the key in any relationship. If you're dealing with her ego, it's important to address the issue directly but in a calm and non-confrontational manner. Choose the right time and place to have a conversation, express your concerns, and ask for her perspective. Open dialogue can help clear misunderstandings and build stronger bonds. Try criticizing her with your humor. When she comes to show her attitude, defeat her with your sense of humor. In this way, she will come under your influence, she will think twice before showing her attitude. Sit in the boss chair and act like one. Tip number 7, lastly, focus on finding solutions together. Instead of dwelling on the attitude, shift the conversation towards finding ways to improve the situation. Brainstorm ideas, compromise, and work as a team. By shifting the focus, you'll be able to overcome challenges and strengthen your bond. It's simple, you can't live with her ego for your whole life. Find solutions or get rid of her. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the key to overcoming any challenge is to approach it with understanding and a willingness to grow together. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's continue this journey of personal development and transformation to an alpha man. We'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all our latest videos on relationship advice, personal growth, and much more. And yeah, remember our bro code. If you need help, reach us out in the comments section. It's always open for you. Thanks. Signing off.